In this video guide, I'll provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the scary alerts that are associated with the site Grandus.cilck. Some people see these pop-ups, and these pop-ups by Grandus.cilck actually display pretty scary messages. They try to make you scared regarding the condition of your computer in order to force you into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted applications. So if you see these pop-ups by Grandus.cilck, don't trust them, simply leave this deceptive page. Now, in order to be convinced that your computer is free of any other possibly hidden threats, my recommendation is that you research it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place where you can get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So use this green download button, download the application, install it, and after it gets successfully installed, start researching your computer with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.